Welcome to Skyland Stables, a pony ride and guided horseback riding stable on Skyland Drive in Shenandoah National Park. Located between mile marker 41 and 43, this reservation required activity is a unique way to traverse some of this park. For the guided trail riding, the cost as of now is $50 a person for 1 hour, and you must arrive half an hour before your reservation. For the pony rides, a reservation is not required. They have set times, and it currently costs $8 for 15 minutes, $14 for half an hour. See the links below for the stables info page, which includes the reservation line phone number, the important guidelines including helmet rules, height minimums, and weight limits for these activities, and also the National Park Service main page and Shenandoah National Park's main page.